Ciao, nice people, and welcome on my very first not English stream but dev stream. I did just two dev stream, English streams to play other devs games, but from now on I'm going to play only in English or stream only in English. Today is the first dev stream in English. So we start with the core of the channel, you can say. And hi there, Foxy, welcome. I like English streams, a review for me. Yes, I actually have to practice some English, so this is a nice idea for me. Hi there, Owari. Just in time. I'm just in time too, because I was just preparing everything else. Discord isn't working. I can't share the streaming on my Discord. I'll try another channel. And hello, Pietraffi. And hi there to you too, Zoro. Let's rock. Let's roccia. Let's party roccia. Okay, we already started this game, but we literally just put 2 hours in this game. Nothing much, nothing less. And the concept of the game is simple. You play as everyone except the main hero. You literally play as his mother, who tries to wake him up. You then play as her childhood friend and his maybe love interest, who knows. And then you play as the shopkeeper who sells him the sword to use. And the important part is you can choose, you can make choices, some more relevant than others. For example, the shopkeeper will, or you can choose if you sell the hero the strong sword or the cheap sword. And other than that, you can choose if the shopkeeper should buy the drops from the hero, or decide that you can't sell items in the store. So you literally decide what happens around the hero. Everything except the hero. Hi there, Fado. Nice, someone who can judge me if I'm getting everything wrong. Chips, not chips like chips, yeah, like potatoes, fried potatoes, no, really cheap, at low cost, or even fake, a fake gem sword, something like that. I don't remember how I called it. Here. Fake gem sword and gem sword. I don't know if the fake is before the gem one, or because the stats are increasing. The stats are higher on the default ones. I can always change the position, but this game was supposed to be completed in 2 hours. I'm over those 2 hours by a little, and I'll make some more, because the idea is really cute, and I can make a really small game out of this. Kelly was having problems with Discord on PC. Okay, so it's a Discord problem. So I can't... yeah, you see. There are problems. So I can't share the streaming in some channels. The Mambes characters. Unfortunately, her choice is the less important. She chooses if to wake up the hero or not, but her childhood friend does it in any case, so it's just a tutorial that you can choose with other characters what you should do. The mama unfortunately doesn't have a name. Also, I remember I might have to change the design, we can call, of the protagonist of Geschelt from Preschelt. Prescelto is chosen one in Italian, so Geschelt is the derivative of that. Oh no, wait, the explosion doesn't work. That's a big problem. I might have a... No. Well, we have the Waldorf, we have the default one, but the automatic one... Hey, here it is. Maybe it needs to be updated. It doesn't work today, I don't know why. I'm really sorry. I still have the default one, but it's manual, so in any case, I'm sorry. The Waldorf week was the last week, actually. I love MZ. I really love MZ too, myself. I just have one problem that the images doesn't load very efficiently, so this causes a problem in some ways. Just one thing, because I think the design of his head, or his general design, if we can call that design, is that his hair is really not hair, the hair. Yeah, the hair is really similar to the one of another of my characters. So I think I should probably change that. Let's see. Here it is. It's Artisio. Artisio, I think, should be a better English name, but here you see. His hair is the same. It's not quite the same color, but of course it resembles him. Also because both the front and back hair is the same. So I think I should choose another one for him. Pick another one. For us Fandorps, I like the name. It's always Waldorf week. Oh, thanks. It means really a lot to me. Mom must be strong in attack. Yeah, she has that special move where she throws her flips. I think it's called flips. Okay, we should change the front hair. Just a little. No, too much. Too much of not edgy, but overconfident hero. We don't need any of those. Something. Well, this hair, I liked a lot this hair, but we should choose another one. This is similar to another character from RPG Maker MV, but I don't remember which. This might work. This one, but might give the feeling of someone more evil, maybe. We don't have much of a choice. This one, the heroes usually are edgy, so this might work. Maybe. Well, this is a side game, so actually, screw that, we can keep someone with the same haircut as Artisio, okay. Whoa, Phoenixicha, or how should I... Phoenix. Happy to see you two here. Oh, the new reward. Where I say something superlatively supervolous. I don't actually really know if supervolous is an actual English word. It should be marvelous, but supervolous, you know. So there's I made it so there's 3 words with which start with S. So I made supervolous, I think. might work. Okay, now I say something superlatively superfluous. Here it is. Something superlatively superfluous. The pronunciation is work in progress, but it's a troll. Oh, I got a sub! How? Who? You're in HD! Congratulations! Thanks a lot, it means a lot to me. I don't actually need them, but it makes me happy, thanks. And the sound for the sub HD, I should change that in HD! That's the only thing I didn't change. No, I didn't change also the raid video. The text is in English, but the raid video has some Italian text. I should change it after today. Explosion. Waldorf week. Hi there, Danix. Happy to see you there. I didn't even start about the game. Oh no. I should develop today, but it's the first English day, so I'm doing anything else. Ozzy, welcome, English stream. Rule Britannia? No, I don't plan to rule Britannia because I'm not expert in politics, but yeah, I'm starting to stream in English so I can... I'd like also to give feedback to other English devs or be more close to them, something like that, so... Also to make practice. So I'm happily starting to make English streams. Yeah, I'm Italian. I stream in Italian since last week, but now I'm starting to... streaming in English. And so far, it's not so difficult. I just need to extend my vocabulary or something like that. So many cool Italian game devs out there. Yeah, there are lots. You know that the winner of the last Indie Game Maker contest was an Italian dev. Actually, let me remember for everyone. We have a Discord. It's still the Italian Discord, but now we are English. So you can meet many of cool and pro devs in here. Why, when I talk about Missing 7, it's always here. Might it be Missing 7, his games, or just making 50 references? Like hitting children's? He is just there. Oh yeah, old Pat, yeah! We just talked with him today in the Discord. He's making this new game, Lady Puppet. No, I'm waiting for it too. And we played Karma Flow some days ago, but just for a bunch of minutes, just to remember it. So we have a lot of cool people in Italy. Outside of Italy, of course, there are two, but you know, let us brag. Okay, the last part here was... let me show you. Just to show you something. As I said, in this game you are everyone except the hero. So, in the forest, you change the perspective and you are the slime. And the hero fights you. You can't actually win because the slime is always super weak. But still, it's really cool. Now, I'm dying. I should place a level up on the hero's head. For that, it should be really simple. I might use a... how it's called? A pop-up, a balloon icon, yeah. There are some custom ones, so I can put a simple level up to avoid too much problems with images. Even if there are plugins for that. Or do the pato. Yeah, that's his name. The pinnacle. He's also there. You know, pinnacle. You need marketing there. Is this project for a jam? For fun? It was for fun. I started it on last week, on the Waldorf week, just to make a game in 2 hours, but the concept was slightly bigger than... no, the scope was slightly bigger, so I choose to extend it in later streams. I think I'll end this in about 4 streams, just 4 streams, before polishing. And before I finish ideas. Okay, let's do the next idea. Actually, what do you do in an RPG after waking up, buying a sword, going through the forest, you reach, then... Well, we might do the capital, the city, where you talk to the king, or the king. You are the king who talks to the hero. Before that, we should, at least place an event in the big city. Or even the overworld. But which other point of view should we use in the overworld? You experience the story, but the enemies it defeats not only the enemies, but everyone else, literally. The shopkeeper, the king, the evil lord at the end. You watch your hometown get burned down. Usually yes, but... yeah, I should make the big enemy fight him. And now we inverted the cliché. Now you choose to spare him, otherwise there's a game over. Thanks for the idea. Just... okay, we didn't define really well the parts of the story. We just decided that the hero should start the adventure after waking up, and now everything else is just an empty paper to write on. Replace the fire! No! Thanks for the idea. You play as the I don't know, not evil lord, but evil... the second evilest boss, and you choose what to burn. Okay, I really like the idea. Okay, so I think that I should change the starting plot, because I did it in a rush, and instead of going save the world, we do some sort of we do a small commission, the same thing in every RPG. I go in the forest to get some items, some fruit, I don't know. And when we return back, the village is on fire. Perfect. Thanks for the idea. The villains, goons. Yeah, the one you fight before the final battle, something like that. I know very little Italian, but another Italian friend taught me the best phrase and only Italian phrase I need to know. La mia pistola è la migliore. Yeah, it means my gun is the better, but I don't know if the context might be ill-interpreted, you know. But yeah, my gun is the best. Okay, so I think instead of going there, instead of leaving the forest, you go deeper, and you reach, I don't know, the fairy that keeps, the keeper of the gem, I don't know, a fairy that keeps a treasure you need to recover, I don't know. Let's copy and paste. What should you do as the fairy? What should you do as the fairy? First of all, let me shrink the map. Which was the basic number? I don't remember. 1917, right? Nope. 1713, okay. Just a small part, so... What should the fairy do before... Well, you don't need to be the fairy. You can be the apple which falls from the tree. I can make a big tree, you need to retrieve an apple, and you are the apple who falls. I can also make a mini game where you have to avoid items were falling, like branches, I don't know. And you have to drop on the hero's hands, otherwise you die. You fall on the ground and you get covered in dirt. I don't think my Spanish keyboard can let me type that. Yeah, there are two E with accents, but Italians also don't know which to use usually. Some of that, not all of them. You fall from a tree and avoid branches and birds to find the hero's hands. Okay, yeah, I should try that. The problem is I need the resources for that, and I don't want to use much time to find resources, let alone find matching resources. So we should choose another minigame or scene. Being the fairy of the forest sounds nice, but I should decide what should we do in her shoes. What the player should do in his shoes, her shoes. Well, the fairies can float, so I can make her float over a small lake to... I don't know. Yeah, I have an idea. There is a plant in the forest, which is the boss of the first dungeon. But the plant isn't really evil. It's just angry, and the fairy feeds the plant to avoid that it attacks heroes. And at the end, when you gather the last fruit to give the plant, the hero arrives and slays the plant. Okay, I have an idea. I have a neat idea. Well, I just said it. Okay. As far as string goes, just learn how to type and you'll find for good. You find out. Yeah, it's a letter of the name of one of my games. It's not completed, so it's not yet in English. Okay, I think I should do this map bigger, because I need for not really a mini game, but going around, gather some apples or something like that. I maybe a small trolling. I make a path really hard to go through, but then you discover you can float with the fairy. How should I make that? I just use another tile set where you can walk on water. Yeah, doesn't seem a problem. What about the hero getting lost in the forest and fairy needing to... Yeah! Nice idea, I liked it. Yeah, guiding the hero. Okay, that's a neat idea. So... the idea for the minigame for the boss... I should use it later, not with a fairy, but with an imp. Or an evil enemy. I don't have any of those, I think. Monster. I should get some resources from RPG Maker MV, maybe. Just a big monster. I should feed the big monster and dies before the hands of the hero. Where is it? Here it is. We can use... well, there was a tree there, but the big Whale. Later, okay, later. I like the idea, thank you a lot. Are you required to be paid $0 for my... Oh, wow, you're expensive. Well, can I pay you in a... just half today and the rest tomorrow? I don't have too many coins on me. Too many... I knew the term. Too many... Well, too much money on me. I was hoping to find another term. Okay. So let's make the map... Yeah, change, yeah. I don't have much change on me. I was searching for the term, okay. No, $0. Oh, you are really not negotiating. Okay, I'll see later if I have some money here on my table. I might have $0 on my table, but I don't see them. Oh well, it's a problem for later. Do you want a bill or we do it frauding taxes? A problem for the future, you know? More debt for me? Well, no. Yeah, more money to pay for me. Okay, someone suggested me to generate a dungeon, but I really hate that. Let's see. Well, this is pretty awful, actually. I can't undo this. Even more awful. Okay, there's also a problem. No, there's not a problem. I was thinking about the follower of the hero, but I can make an event for it, for her, really easily. Okay, first of all, let's make the dungeon. We can make that the hero follows the fairy. But I think the fairy needs to be near the hero. Otherwise it won't follow her. How should I determine that the fairy is near the hero? We can use math. There's a common event I use always, is get hero info, which isn't actually right because you don't play as the hero, get not hero info, but we can use this also to calculate how far is the player from the hero, maybe. Generate dungeon is to design to get major outline of the map. I don't know, because it's not really a dungeon, it's just a long way with big rooms. I mostly like to start from scratch at every dungeon. Just also to try new to not make the same design every time, maybe. Fairy can fly over water, but hero can't. I'm making also that the fairy goes through walls because it's like floating over the trees, so I just need to make her go through. Okay, always or almost always make this common event. Really useful. Where the game calculates values every time I need it. For example, I save the X of the player, not the hero. I save the Y of the player, not hero. And just for this time, we also need the hero's X coordinate. And for that I should always have the hero's event as number 1, I think. So, event 1, here it is. like this, and this one, Epsilon hero in the map. Awesome. Now I need to actually have the hero as number 1. Hero number 1, hey! Here. It's the first hero. The map is pretty empty, but we can fix it. Well, making maps from scratch, I should also determine the way the hero should follow. The first one is pretty easy. The first is a dead end, and then it resumes. I should also make more open-ended areas, but for now, let's do this. Maybe I can guide the hero to a chest. And I remember there was a game for the roles reversed gem, where you need to be the fairy which guides the hero to solve the puzzle. But more like a fairy, like Navi from Zelda. Hey, listen! Maybe I can make this the long way. And the hero, if goes through there, it took the chest here. I should also make more, add some water, so the map is more open-ended. Not linking there though. Okay, here it continues, but it's fake. You need to go through there. I'm not good in making basic designs for dungeons. I like finding ideas for them, but there's already an idea, I think. I just use script calls, much easier. Oh yeah, but I often don't remember the correct script call, so I save everything in an event. I also love script calls, but I always did this, and having in variables. I can still call the variables when I fill up using script calls. I should use them more. Yeah, they're really useful. For example, in Respawn Banter, the other game I'm making, there is a really useful script call I used a lot of times, which is a line which returns true. It's like a condition if the hero is in a specific spot. For example, when the port 3 falls, it falls in coordinates 820, I don't know. And I check if the hero is 820, and if it is, he dies. I don't even need to check the hero's coordinates. There's just a function that literally is called if the hero is in or something like that. We should do a bigger roundabout here. And here it resumes. And I think I just let the hero take the item. I don't need to make another scene because I need another point of view. So here is the goal. It's a simple dungeon because, well, it's just some little a little bit of gameplay. Okay, oof. But just some distractions there, just to make the player lose himself. Okay. Okay, this might work. I'll convert the rest into actual watchable map, but this is it for now. I should at least make wider spaces. Like this one. Okay, now it's better. Okay, now it's more reasonable. We can add a lake here. A lake here too. A big space here. And we improvise the rest for now. The straight corridors are not what I want. So it's a forest. It's pretty much random. So I'll fix something. It will be a mess to place every wall tile. Oh well, a problem for the future me. Another one. Okay, now let's try to program the following the fairy. So you start as the fairy, not the mom, please. So remove the madre and add the fairy. I didn't add the fairy for now, but now here she is. Wait, nah, here. Ah, it's a fairy boy. I never see those. It's a fairy boy. It feels like it, okay. In the midst of my own game making, I take my leave. No problems, thanks a lot for being there, Ozzy. See you next time. Thanks a lot. I'll be hosting this game on itch.io as like my other games, so I'll make it as a browser game because more people will likely play it. A boy, a fairy trap. I never saw one of those. Okay, let's delete this. And for now it doesn't do anything. How do we make the player following the fairy? We need another check. How far the hero is from the player. We should do some math. I think we just need to make some. I use the scripting because otherwise I need to add two other variables and I don't feel like it. So let's use difference x, difference epsilon. First, let's convert variables. Player x, player epsilon, hero x, hero epsilon, which is game variables value number. It is 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6, 7, 8. Just I could also not use this part and use directly the names, but this is more readable. So the difference in the x is I should make these values absolute, so it doesn't matter in which order for now. Player x minus hero x, and the difference in epsilon is player epsilon minus heroes 1. Okay, now I have to make the absolute of those ones. I think it's math.abs. I'm pretty sure I don't even need to check. Let's hope it doesn't crash. So it returns me the positive value out of those numbers. And then I can save those values. Let's save them in another variable. Set value. Which variable should we use? The 9. And we save the value difference x plus the other one. Okay, now the sum means how many tiles the player is from the hero. Let's try it. I should place it in a parallel event. And let's see if it doesn't crash. Oh cool, the fairy is already floating. The fairy boy. So, I should change the name of the variables. Okay, here it is, 14, 10, 8, 5, 3, 1. You're dead. No. I'm a helping fairy. So now with its value, how should you use it? Well, I think it's pretty simple. When the value is under a threshold, the hero sees the fairy and tries to reach them. Them. Oof, I don't need to use the schwa anymore from the Italian. I never used it in the first place, actually. Okay, so I think I should do it there. So if distance from hero is less than let's use 7. It's not a lot. Let's use 9. There's also another problem. I'd like that the hero goes on his way by his own when he doesn't see the fairy. Like I'd like if he stopped only on branches, but I should use a way to make him walk on its own, and it sounds pretty hard to do. Also, I should do that the hero shouldn't touch the fairy, otherwise a battle will start, but no. What happens if the hero touches the fairy? Well, in any case, I should make the fairy go through. Through on, here it is. The player. And now let's try the thing where the hero follows the fairy. So I should use the hero, move towards the player, but there's another better way to do this, which I used for Artesian and another game. I never remember how it is, but I use it in the fight against Korsk. Where is it? Mr. Korsk, why are you stuck in the wall? Here it is. This is the code. So it's this. Game up events, the event of the hero, move straight, move towards, and now it's find direction towards player coordinates. Pretty complicated, but it's easy. It's a better pathfinding code instead of this one towards player. Okay. and I let it wait for completion, but I think it might make the player go slow. Let's see. Okay. It doesn't see me now, right? 12, okay. 1, 2, 3. Here it is. I shall now guide him. Well, he's pretty smart. He's pretty smart. I like it, I like it. I should... No, it's fine. I think it's the perfect distance. The problem is when the hero is above the fairy. It's not a... I should simply say that the hero, when it's too close to the fairy, it doesn't move. So when it's 2 or less, or actually more than 2, he moves. Otherwise, he stands still. So that's not a problem. Come on, hero. Oh, perfetto. I like this, I like this. I can go above the player, but I think this is intentional. The fairies are small, so they can easily pass through the player. Also, there's another, we can call it problem, but I think we can solve it in this way. The girl who follows the hero, like a party member. I should... Well, I should use the other code. This same code. So when getting the info, other than moving the hero, I can move the friend, his friend, childhood friend, or sister of his childhood friend, and move it towards the coordinates of the hero, which are... I think those ones? Yeah. I hope. Let me select manually, please. Here, okay. I think it's the right coordinates, those ones. So, the friend should move towards game map events with ID 1, the hero, coordinate X and coordinate Y. Let's see if this works. Let's hope it does, to see if it's a good party member. Oh, okay, it's not initialized. Also, the hero is slower now. Yeah, because I put his friend in a wait mode. I should remove for both of them. And also use a variable for testing. Friend, childhood friend. I forgot to translate the variables. I should do it. I should also do that. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it's a party member. It's the perfect party member. Okay. No. It body blocks him. That's not optimal. Okay, Discord now works better. That's nice. I should make her... This is funny. This is funny. I should make her not transparent because she goes over the hero. I should make her walk the tile with the hero left, it might be slightly harder, but I think it's pretty doable. Okay. Let's try it. So, I should replace the code for air walking, which worked pretty well, I think. But instead of going towards the hero's steps, she should go to the place the hero left. So, how should I do that? I think I should create new variables. That's not an easy solution for this. I think this might work. So, new variables. Last x hero for x and epsilon. This only if the value is different from the other one. And also, every new map I should reset because otherwise the follower might bug out. Well, I can do this on the refresh map, a common event refresh map. I don't kinda like... I can use a variable to refresh them. No. Well, yeah, I don't have to refresh the value every map if I use a variable for the map ID. So, let's use another one. Map ID, which is the map ID, correct. But before, we make a check if map ID is different from previous map ID, just to check if there was a change of map. Then well, then before I make this, and I update the previous map ID to the current map ID, but before I should reset last hero's values. Or just in this loop I don't check if the value of where the hero was is different from where the hero is now. So, when in the first frame or first call where I change map, don't check if the player moved. Just I think I'm overcomplicating this, or it's my impression. Okay, I need that the friend of the hero walks on the same tile that the hero left. So I need to check when the hero moves. How to check if the hero moves? I check if the X of hero. I need to check if just one between X or epsilon changed. How do I do that? I can do in a simple script call instead of making embedded conditional branches. So variables.value. I don't remember the value. Okay, there's X and epsilon. For 5, 6, 7. No, wait. Variable 7, 8, 10, 11. So 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay. This is 7, the actual X of the hero. I should check if it's different from the old X of the hero. Or we check if the Y is different. So 11 and 8, I think. Yeah. Okay, and if this is true, it means that the hero moved by 1 tile. So let's update the values. I should have used a plugin to follow other character, I think, but it's too late. I'm too deep into this. So let's update last X hero, and it becomes X hero. No, wait. I'm missing something, I think. This won't work first try, I'm telling you. I need to activate a switch and don't update this. I got it wrong, I think. Why having a follower must be so hard? I just need to work on the same path of the hero. Oh no, I said the name of a game. Never mind. I have an idea for this. I did something wrong. Let's copy one of these parts. This worked. So I need to copy this. A way to get the hero coordinates without before updating. So this is the wrong part. If the hero coordinates saved in a variables are different from the value saved of the actual game, then it means the hero in this frame it moved. Hi Louis, hello there. Wait for the explosion. Waldorf week. A bit late, but it works. Waldorf. No, it's Waldorf mode. Yeah, it sounds about right. We're just trying to make a follower for the hero. It's kinda complicated, kinda hard. Waldober. I have a competitor. October. How it is? How it was? October. Waldorf Wednesday. I like the name for that, you know. Waldorf Wednesday. Well, yeah, it's Wednesday. Oh, doesn't sound half bad. Okay, I think I should use this in a smart way. So, this returns true. Let's use a comment because I'll forget myself too. If the hero moved, but the variable still has to change. This is useful so I can keep track of the step before the hero, so her friend should move or something like that. So I should update here the coordinates of the hero only when the coordinates are different. So I update hero's coordinates only when he actually moves. So it's pretty fine just like this, but I now need to save also where the hero was. But I think that's simple too. I just use the variable of the previous step of the hero and save the almost old value of the hero. I just shift the value one variable later. Okay, so I save where the hero is and the step before the hero, so you can have a follower. And I think it's fine like this. Yeah, it's fine like this. Let's make a test before implementing the follow age. And let's see. Okay, it still works. I didn't broke anything. I doing all of this to fix this. They body block. The friend is body blocking the hero, and it's not really cool, you know. So what we need to do is to make the friend of the hero not follow the hero, but go on the value where the hero was the step before. So I think I just need to put the variables here. Game variables. It was 10 if I remember well. 10 and 11. Let's hope it works. Works every time, right? Where's the hero? Where's the hero? Wait. Ah yeah, I need to reset the values. That was the problem. That was the problem. So, if they are 0, she won't move. Okay, let's make this. Let's check just one of them because none of them will ever be 0, I think. So, if it's 0 or if it's not 0, then move. Okay, thanks. Okay. And maybe I should put here at 0. We'll see later. Okay, now it should be fine. Oh, it is the follow. Wait, no! I'm sorry! I didn't mean to pick on you! No, wait, I'm a poor fairy! I'm poor fairy boy! No, not Venom! Move! Ah! What did I do wrong? I'm just an innocent fairy! What did I do to deserve the rage of the hero? No! I'm dead. I'm dead. It's a bad ending. Oh well, I should... Ah, okay, because I left the battle trigger on the follower. Okay, problem solved. Now it's pretty much easy. I just want to make something more trolling, like no, it's not really trolling, but like a block here where the fairy can pass easily, but the hero have to do the entire way around. And maybe the pathfinding is pretty good. It doesn't stuck. It doesn't get stuck, so I don't think it's a problem. Okay, that's all for the programming of this part. I think I can easily guide the hero towards the ending part. Let's see if the hero can go through. Okay, cool, neat. Hey, come there, friend. Oh no! He's being body blocked. Well, that's not a problem. I can make her transparent for this part because, well, she does. I don't think she will ever step on the hero's path, and I can go through her, so it's fine. It's a soft lock. It was a soft lock though. Oi, hero, come here. Thanks a lot. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it works perfectly. It works just a normal follower. Incredible. I like it. Now I want to make a little gag where the hero takes the chest. Let's come here. I should make a more labyrinthical part, maybe. More like a labyrinth, maybe. Ah, let's see later. Come here, and when the hero steps there, he takes anything he needs to take and returns to the burning village. Oh, we are the most interesting part. The burning village! When we burn down the actual village. Okay, so first of all, I don't want to make this again, so I'll make the trigger here, and then for the complete game I'll put it there. And for the chest it should be easy. What is the hero searching for anyways? It might be as simple as water of the lake of the Great Fairy. There's like a more important lake. The lake of the, I don't know, the not red tree here. It's so stupid. The lake of the fairies I can make. I can simply put some random fairies there, so it seems a slightly more important lake, right? That's the idea. Here it is, the fairy boys. Moves random, and here it is. I want to no, I don't want to make them go through because they'll go through the walls. But this one can't move on the water. Oh, okay, no, they can go through. Let's hope they don't leave to the forest. Well, for now, let's keep it like this. Then we'll see. Okay. For this, it's just making something trigger when the hero goes on a certain tile. I can easily call a common event, or call here and save other than the X and other than the coordinates. Save the terrain tag, the region ID of the hero. When he's in the right region ID, let's say 10, he'll go get the water, okay? We'll return here later, I think. We'll do 2 rundowns of the entire game. We make the concept and then we polish them. I think it's fair. We might forget how something works, but we are fine. First of all, let's try the concepts. Okay, so for burning the village, for burning down the village, we need to have a bigger village, I think. So let's expand the village. Let's do a little bit of mapping. A little bit of mapping over there. A little bit of Monica over there. Mapping. I was saying mapping. Okay. And also because I want to have the characters except the hero explore, like the shopkeeper. I want to make the intern of the inside of the home of the friend of the hero, so I can introduce early her sister, so you can choose which character will follow the hero. So what should I put in the rest of the village? It's a really small village, so I don't really need that much, but I should make the entrance there, and I should put a park here. Nothing useful, just a park. And the path ends there. Okay. The real entry to the village is this one. More on the left. Okay, it works. Better than Papa Month. When you eat Papa. I want to eat Papa. Now we are Waldorf here. No, okay, not this far, I think. We are just making the village who burns down. The most exciting part, in my honest opinion. This part on the left we can cut it out, I think. Leave it out, yeah. We can also make these the borders of the city, but the lake divides the park from the entry. Fun fact, it's Wishlist Wednesday. Yeah. Unfortunately, none of us has a game on Steam except Tuned. Well, yeah, there are actually paths we still. I was talking about the most frequent users, even if Pat is returning lately. What about Tapandorf? I didn't have any new updates from her part, but maybe just because it's just it's just 8 days. Maybe she's still she doesn't work with maximum priority, so I understand. She needs to do the outline, the baseline of the key art, so I think that's what is keeping her busy. I should put an inn around there. Yeah, around there. And also I should make the city less big. I think I'm going a little overboard here. Just a little. And even there. I think it might be perfect. It's more like a small village, okay? Now. Not too much. My mouse wheel doesn't work very well. I'm hating it. I should order a new one. Not wheel, the entire mouse. Okay, another house. The inn. I should use this color for... not this. I should use this color for the inn. Maybe it's too small. I should... I think it's fine. It's fine. I don't know how to make a building with 2 floors. This looks pretty stupid. But it might do. Hype for the Spawn Banter trailer. No, no. We don't need a publisher, do we? November we can talk better about the revenue. Well, yeah. So Spectrum, I forgot the release was anticipated by a week. So we'll play it next week on stream, of course. Why shouldn't we? We all. What should we put here? A cultivation. A small farm. Yeah. When you don't know what to put a small farm in the city. And the random houses you can't enter. Okay. Other ones. Other there. And there. And there. So... I won't place them actually because it doesn't make sense. There are just a bunch of houses in a city, but it's like this every RPG. So let's try be more more boring. I thought 8. No, it was 10. Okay, no, I mistook. I played A1. Me too. Just I hope it doesn't get delayed by 1 hour. Just like last stream for the prologue. Is this map LADB starting city reference? How do I say LADB? No, it's just any RPG starting town. Except this is even better. It burns down. So I won't duplicate it. I just need to place some events. So the small park. How do you want to call it? Wait, well, something like I should place here trees and other things, and then my main city place will be this one, just to feel something. Like this. I should put a monument in the middle and we're good to go. Let's make this, which of course says about the legend. But maybe it needs something else. One step lower maybe? Okay. I should also make a route like this. Okay. Maybe slightly better. I'm in a pickle. I'm hyper focused on the project. I don't play anything on PC like before. If I participate to CGM, I won't be able to play immediately. Which game? Pablo. Which? Ah, yeah, yeah, that game. I know. Well, there are 4 weeks for the jam, so I don't think you are in a rush. What? Can you please shut up? Thanks. I should disinstall Google Drive for my computer. I don't need it. I just use it on browser. It's fine. Okay, no, I thought you were talking about the other game. Well, again, I don't... You have 4 weeks for the jam. I don't think a break of 1 or 2 days to play some of the game is a problem, honestly. I was searching for a place to sit because it's like a park of the city. Yeah, bushes. Bushes are needed. Almost. What else? Signs. Like, welcome to first village, or something like that. Well, I should not put too much thought into this, I think. But at least something to decorate this poor part might be needed. Okay. Okay. No. Oh yes, because I copied everything. Let's copy just the door. Okay. This was the park, but honestly, I don't care much about the park. Just a bunch of random trees and we're fine. And I don't know, it doesn't sound like a park. Here. Palms. Okay. Now let's burn this village to the ashes. Okay. Let's start by making a condition and starting position. First of all, let's avoid problems with events before. Okay, yeah, like this. Just for testing. But still it's a problem. So if no, we can test this. So we can, but we need to make a placeholder. So the evil lord. Let's remove the madre. Evil lord. She's the evil lord. No, wait. Which will be our dear evil lord? We should make a character. We should make a character. I don't know if the base generator can make evil people. Yeah, it can make all sorts of people, but I don't know if it gives the right impression. This one sounds cool, actually. But let's try again anyway. So I don't think... No, at least we can make a rival. I don't think we can make an evil lord. Just ugly people. Oh, this I saved this one. Seems like the Sage of the Mountain, something like this. Ah. Okay. No, we can't make a evil one from this, I think. Smugdorf. Well, it was similar to my avatar, that one before, actually, yeah. Okay, we have the... We can... Oh yeah, we can make him fight the people of the village. We can make him fight the mother or the... Yeah! Yeah, the Evil Lord kills the girl we left home. So if the hero doesn't pick anyone, they both die. Still, there's not the... we don't need the butler, actually. Oh, thanks a lot for the follow, Riggy. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. We're making a game where you control everyone except the hero. And now it's the best part. When we burn everything down. So, let's try and see what happens. Okay, we are the Evil Lord, actually. And... I should make you can't enter indoors. Like this. Wake up, chosen hero! I'm here to kill you! Why the Evil Lord has to wait that the hero comes to him? Why can't him just go to him and kill him? Okay, now another thing. Burning. For that I want to use scripting in some way because I need to generate flames. The player should be able to generate flames in the right place. I saw your other work before, cool games. Ah, thanks a lot. What did you play? Yeah, there's also Michael and Missing 7. How many good and nice people. Sorry, I missed a lot of messages. I was too centered on burning everything down. Please understand me. If I play South Spectrum, I won't be able to put down immediately. That is distraction. Well, you can play an hour a day just to relax. Try to not get too addicted. I know it's hard. I know it's hard. I will too be addicted and won't I won't be able to stop streaming. Almost. How many chances we get a full dwarf by pressing random? Well, pretty low actually. And talking of that, there are a lot of new channel rewards, like the epic character generator, where I generate a character, I give him a name, and I put it there in the stream, watching in some in a far part of the stream, like in the left part, or in a I was searching corner. And I probably use them for the Jet Gem, which is another channel reward. Oh, well, missing 7. Let's go again. Well, let's start. We alternate male and female, okay? So let's try. Oh, but this one isn't this bad. Okay, I call him. How should I call him? It has glasses. It's like missing 7 before he went bald. So full 7. It's full 7 doesn't sound bad actually. It's not. Well, it's taken from missing 7, but on its own, it's a cool name actually. Full 7, because it sounds like a poker player which always has the right hand. So I like the name. It's the new Aurea, but bad. Yeah, yeah. Full 7. I save it outside of this because it's not part of the game. And he will make us company. Let me take him. Oh, okay, perfect. I'll flip everything. And I'll place it here in the corner. Mr. Full 7. He will watch us burn down the village. And he will like it. After all, character dies, right? And as I was saying, I will probably use those characters for the Jet Gems. What are Jet Gems? Are another channel reward with a lot of points. I make a game in 10 minutes. I'll see later if I should increase the price or decrease the time. But really, really small games made in nothing of time. I still 67,000 points. That's a lot. Wow, well, now with the rewards, maybe. Okay, what I was doing, I was trying to spawn a specific event. Because Devil Lord can put everything on fire. But I would need a lot of events to activate. If the player can choose where to put fire. And we'll make, when Devil Lord put a specific number of fires, the hero returns and fights him. So, I don't know where it is. Spawn, maybe? Spawn, where? Here? Is there some way to spawn an event? There should be, but I don't know how to do it. Otherwise we can... No, I want that the player is free to place how much fire he wants. But I think it's pretty hard. I know a friend who can help me. Mr. ChatGPT. How do I spawn an event from another map in RPG Maker MZ using JavaScript? Wait, it's a little tsunderish, my ChatGPT, so let's see it doesn't say something wrong. No, okay, it's fine. You really can't figure this out on your own? I suppose I can help you just this once. Okay. Thanks a lot. I should probably read what it was. Okay. If only you could use oh, I read Virustella. Virustella. Yeah, Virustella might help actually, but let's see what is suggested. There was event clone. It does exist? I don't think so. Let's try it in any case. It will crash everything. Let's try. I don't think it's much difference. I asked the MZ actually. Event clone. I knew it does. It isn't a function. You dumbass of ChatGPT. It tried. I can use... well, yes, move core maybe will help you. Wasn't move core the one who lagged everything? Actually. Oh well. I don't think it's a game who will lag, so we are pretty safe. I put it in respawn bouncer, so let's take it from there. I don't actually need to open the game. Visustella. Events move core, here it is. So JS plugins, here it is. I don't need basic Visustella, luckily. Just this. I know it will ruin something. I don't know what, but something it will ruin. No, I don't need core engine actually. I can use event battle core without it. Let's see if it's a plugin command or not. I'm pretty sure it isn't needed because it gave me a lot of problems for respawn bouncer and I removed it. But I still kept the others. So remote activation, no. Dash enable. Event location crate, maybe. I think it is. No, it is. Spawn event. At X epsilon. Perfect. So I need a template. No, I can take from this. Okay. So I don't need this. A flame. I just need the flame here, which is visible only if the story is far enough. Let's see. And I need just a flame. And then burn anything. Oh, this is good. I can make it random. Yeah, I can make it random. How should I... Can I make it random? I can make one more of one. I think this works best, you know. True. Same F characters. Direction fix. And stepping, right. From story. Let's just flame. It's number 6 from map 3. So the event is map 3. Map 3, number 6. The location. Oh, perfect! Front of the player. Really practical. Collision? No, ignore it. Passability. Ignore it. Preserve spawn. Doesn't disappear. And success? Okay, if I can't spawn, I don't need it. Let's try it. Then I'll make it a common event. Okay, thanks Missing 7 for passing by. See you next time. Say hi to Full 7 here in the side. Okay, it doesn't appear, maybe because the story isn't... Oh, it is. Okay, I just need the sound though. And we should make this a common event. No, I actually need this only on this map. So, let's make it as a parallel. And if I interact with something, or if I just press the interact button, it activates. Okay. Just this, I think. With a slight cooldown, obviously. Okay. And I don't want to put it on other events. Well, other flames. Because it might lag a lot. Not my... We'll see later. Also, I need a sound. Mr. Flame. A bit too loud. This is fine. Not like the meme in the burning out, this is fine, but still burning, still fine. Okay, and another thing. Every time I put a flame, the screen goes red there. But also I don't want to spawn the flame on another flame, and that's the point. I should make this at least to avoid collisions with events, but not passability. So I can put the flames on other items. I can't put flames on people, but I'll fight them, so it's not a problem. Let's try. The submit of a template you can include from... Okay, see. Yeah, so that's pretty fine. Why does it... I hate it when it runs like this. Visustella, please, can you keep everything off by default? Thanks. Damn. 8 direction movement, I don't need it. 3 collision. I don't need this. Where it is? Dash on ladders. Dash tilt, no thanks, it's awful. Well, makes it a little more dynamic, but every time I see it, I say, oh, it's Visustella. Other than that, shadows. Well, I don't have preferences for now. It's okay, just that option I needed to change. Okay. Story 6. And let's burn everything down. Oh yes. I don't want to enter. Oh, because interacting with the door makes me enter it. Yeah. On this one. Okay. There's the problem that it doesn't make me... Well, it doesn't make me place fire on a door. But still, I'm burning everything. That's cool. Okay. A bit glitchy, I know, but... It's still on top of the player. I should put it over everything, just in case. And I want to make it spawn on a door, but it's still an event. How should I do it? I can't decide the criteria to don't make it spawn, unfortunately. I should check before if there is a... Yeah, I should check. Also, there is a... yes, the function front is really practical, actually. I should make... Well, for now, let's leave it at this. But later, I think we should check, because placing a fire on doors is pretty fun, I think. So, every time you put down a flame, the screen gets redder. How do I make it? There is a function tint screen. Also with a note. I don't need to wait for duration. Okay, here it is. So, I don't need Artisio anymore. The code. Screen start tint, and there are the colors. What happens if I don't know, make everything red? How much red is too much red? Should I decrease the others? Or should I keep them the same but increasing the red? Oh well. Because this one needs to be put on hiatus. Oh, on pause. On pause. I don't see any change. Why? Oh no, it's changed color of the picture. My bad. Tint screen. I think this... oh no, the opposite. This one will work too, right? I think it's enough. Maybe also increasing the gray? Let's see. Okay. Perfect. So every time I activate a flame, the screen color increases by a little, by 20, I think. So you need to... no, a little less. 15. So I need to first set up the basic colors, the values. So I just need to, when I start the map, to set color value equal to 0, and then it runs just one time, so it won't never override. And then I can say, I forgot the value, color value maybe. The red is color value, green is green is still 0, blue still 0, gray color value. Duration, let's say 1 frame. No, 1 second. And every time color value increases by, let's say, 15 every round. Let's say if it works. Let's see. I should also count the value I am at, but oh yeah, I deactivated the event. I don't think I need to count it, I just need to check the oh yeah, color value. No wait, color value, why is not color value? It's there. It's literally there. Color value. Color value. Oh yeah. It's not global. Okay, okay. So when the value reaches 150, 50, no 50 was right. Then the hero turns in the village. Here, let's burn everything. Let's burn the water. Water. Yeah, burning everything. Yeah, yeah, redder, yet redder. Yeah, burning everything. Burning everything. Wait, I think it's well over the value. Can I check how the value is? Color 345. Oh no, the screen is oversaturating. The screen oversaturating. Someone stop the evil. Someone stops the evil, Lord. It's too evil. It's oversaturating my screen. Well, it's not intended, but it's a feature now. It's a feature now. It's a feature now! Oh, it's incredible! Still, I think I want to increase even less the value because you place 10 flames and it's just... it's already everything red. So let's say a little less. 5. Let's say 10, maybe it's a lot. Let's say 8. So you need to put on 20 flames to call the hero. It's fine, it's fine. Okay. So you put 20 flames. So you reach the value 150. I say more. Let's see. Let's place 20 flames. Oh wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And already like this, it's slightly red on the screen. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This is enough. Yeah, I think it's enough. Enough red to show the village is on fire. There's not a lot of fire though. We can go further. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 13. I think 30 flames is enough. There's this big reddish part on the screen. Color value, it's near the max. So when I put down a bunch more, it starts to oversaturate, but it works perfectly in any case. Okay, so when the value is let's say over 230, the hero shows up. So if color value more or equal to 230, let's activate a switch. Or a switch is fine. Village burning. Yeah. Okay, and when it's on, the hero spawns in. Literally, someone spawned, awesome. Pog Championzor. Thanks a lot for the follow. And cool name. We are making a game where you play as everyone except the hero. You literally play as everyone else. It's the base name of the game. I should choose a complete name later, but for now it's called Everyone Else. It was still Project 2. Okay. For the hero, I just need to place those two. Here. And here. So Devil Lord will fight them when they talk to them. I make them walk up and place them here. One watching the another. Or one watching the opposite direction. Sounds kinda hard, actually. Actually, no, but I just want to place the hero here. So the Lord can see him. The player should be around here maybe when he puts... No, I think it should be around here when he puts 30 flames. Here maybe, so he might see him. So. Village burning on. I won't move the hero though. I'll make it with an event. So, when the village is burning, the hero will move up a little. 1, 2, 3, 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's add a 7th. I don't need this. Okay. Up one more. Let's make also move his friend. The same steps. Let it wait and then remove the event. Perfect. And when you talk to him, you don't fight the hero, you trigger the scene when you fight him. Same old thing. Well, actually, the common event was right. I just need to change something like... well, when you win, it's game over, actually, but I will change this, maybe. Just when you win, because it's game over for the story. So. Let's make a quick dialogue. The evil one is this. Where is it? The evil lord. Here it is. Evil lord. So I see your back. What does the evil lord say to the hero first time they meet? I don't actually know. I don't want to say chosen hero because I already used it in Respawn Banter, so... Why does Devil Lord destroy the village? Does he have a reason? Well, we can say the legend said in this village someone will rise to defeat him, so... To be precautious, he burns it down, right? And kills everyone. So let's make the hero talk first. I forgot his name. How was he called? Geschelt, right. I maybe put later the names. Not evil or thanks. Geschelt. I should also give him more faces, more expressions. Like one more face. Just to be angry or sad because this isn't appropriate. I'm happy, everything is burning down. I don't have to study anymore. Yay! I don't have to do home chores again. What did you do to my home? Let's make also her friend talk. Again, there might be no friend accompanying the hero, Lorena or Cisea. So I'll try for the first time to make a dialogue with a script. So there isn't? Oh, okay, here it is, message. Let's say. So, seems pretty easy. Let's try it. Sounds fun. Can I select everything? Thanks. Oh, okay. So, first time I'm making a conditional dialogue or a scripted dialogue. So, the image is or Lorena or Cisea. Cisea? It's actually from Lorena is from love, and Cisea it's from sister. So face equals, let's say for now, Lorena or empty, and let's see if game variables dot value, which was the second variable. Which variable stored the character who was falling the hero? The second one. I was right. If it's 0, there's no one. If there's 2, there is Lorena. If there's 3, there's Cisea. Right? Yeah. So, if the value is equal to 2, then it's Lorena. If it's 3, it's Cisea speaking. So else if here, and if it's neither of them, there's nobody. So we skip the dialogue. How do I skip the dialogue? I'll check later. So I don't actually need a safe. If it's 0, it says wrongly Cisea, but it doesn't appear. So it's not a problem. Okay. So now if that game variable is different from 0, it starts the message. If it's 0, doesn't show anything. So the face is face background. What was 0? Default, I hope. Speaker name, well, it's the same actually. Face and dialogue. Now we choose the dialogue. Let's choose it before. Actually, the name isn't face, it's the value in face. There doesn't need to be quotes around it. Okay, the dialogue, it's something basic like Who are you? Why are you doing this to our homes? Perfect. Sounds good enough. But we should change this dialogue because it's really similar. To my friends, ecco, because it's the hero. So the friendship is important. We should do something at the end where something about power of friendships happens. I don't know. So what you did? Who are you? Why are you doing this? So I think it works. Okay, but before, again, for testing, I need to set the value for the character following the hero, because by default there's nobody. Okay, let's do again a test. It shouldn't appear now. Oh, but let's fix later. Now let's burn everything. I lost the count, but a bunch more. No, huh? Okay, where it's... I should decrease the threshold because... No, it's fine, it's fine. I need to burn everything. Here they are. Hey, they are. I hope they won't be covered by flames. I should, in the case, remove the flames on their position. Oh wait, invite the left-hand side in assignment. What did I do wrong? Oh, first of all, the condition here is wrong. Okay, I think that's the basic problem. I think it was the problem. But first, let's decrease the value because for testing, let's keep it at 30. I should remember later to increase it. Here they are. Even without the flames. Again? Again, if equals do, face equals Lorena. Maybe the latter part. Let's split it in parts. Counting every part so I see where's the problem. Sure, and that's all. I just need to see the variables in the... And... How is... I forgot the name. In the console. Yeah, the command is console log, so it's the console, of course. So, okay, it's in the last part. That's nice to know. If value is different... Oh no! I forgot how to put the negation command. The negation... It's not a command, it's a comparator. How was it called? It doesn't go in the next line. I should do it myself. Also, I am putting more flames when I talk, so I should disable this part. I should disable it in any case, because so the player knows he should stop burning and meet the heroes. Okay. So that's fine. Other than that, what was I doing? Yeah, the new line. I think saying this /n is enough. It should go in the new line. We are already at 2 hours of streaming. Oh, that's a lot. The time flies when you're having fun burning towns, right? I think I take one more, way more streamings than I thought about making this game. With the right time, we can do it. No reason to rush, actually. So we finish this part. Or we do a little more. Let's see. It's still a little... tiring, the term I was looking for. Tiring, speaking in English, but it's fun, actually, I'm already getting used to it, you know. I, of course, find hard to think about some terms, but sometimes I really don't think about it. Not that much, actually, but I'm starting to, again, getting used to it, so it's a really nice thing. I hope I could also improve my... Well, I'm improving my fluency. My pronunciation, I don't know. Let's hope I don't pronounce everything wrong. But I now realize my problem is not a pronunciation. It's just a fluency. A bit of problems of pronunciations, but I can make me understandable if even if I pronounce everything in the wrong way, but not if I stutter every time. Console log, so menacing. What should he say? Oh. So, The survivors suona male perché non sono ancora sopravvissuti. Potrebbero morire adesso dalle sue mani, no? Oh, wait, I'm speaking Italian. Wait. Oh, I got distracted at a moment. Okay. After that long talk about speaking in English. Okay, no, I think I was saying it's weird if he just said you're the survivors, because they're not survivors yet. They can die by her hands just now. What should he say? He was surprised. Oh. Should I make the player choose what he says? The first dialogue I make the player choose because I can't come up... Oh, I didn't want to delete that. Wait a moment. Let's have his face again. Oh, okay. And I should place again this one. Okay. So I won't lose this face. Oh. So let's make the player choose because I can't come up with good ideas. Let him say. So let's say something bad, badass, and stupid. Like something really mean, like do you like saying the place you love burned down? Should it be? Then the explanation comes later. Just it's fun having you choose the dialogue for the Evil Lord, of course. The second is wait. I know it's the same cliche, but I think I should just make the start of the dialogue and then do you like it? And then the entire dialogue is a little more extended than this. Same cliche, it's fine. Maybe for last. Cliche fine. Do you like it? I hope it sounds mean and not like fun. I don't know what's fun about it. Not the default one. So we have the meme, the gag, and I should put the confused one, like and you are okay. Then we see, but after a small gag, or what it is, you can't cancel, wait. Okay. A little explanation just to have at least something visible about the story, I don't know. The legend says that that I would be defeated by a hero of this land. I just wanted to be extra precautious. Wanted to be extra precautious. It should be. There's a oh too much. How is wait precautious at one moment? Wait, it's cautious without pre. Cautious. Okay, the rest is correct. The rect is correct. And the hero then talks again like, you're a monster. You're a monster. And then, oh yes, you will see. Oh, yes. Oh, exactly. You will see how much of a monster am I. E parte la battaglia contro l'eroe. Stavolta l'eroe non può perdere, ma non muore. Quindi dovrei fare in modo che... Well, wait, I was speaking Italian again. Oh no. Well, it's a full stream. Some mistakes. I didn't expect to switch to Italian like this. I'm too used to it. But I'll make some practice just for a bit. Okay. Okay, what was I saying? Yeah, I don't need that the hero doesn't collapse because at the end it doesn't die. So let's call the common event of the battle. I won't call the part of the game over. I don't want that the Devil Lord loses. He's a knight for now. We then place other classes, but it's level 40. It doesn't take damage. I don't think you can lose. And if he can lose, I don't know what to do. I should remove the defense command. Without defending, you can't lose, I think. So, common event. Let's fight the hero. I should change the names qui. The names here. And let's see. Level 40, perfect. Let's fight. Let's see. I don't take damage, perfect. Perfect! Well, it's also victory music! I should change it. I should place the defeat music for winning! Yes, yes, yes! Yes, 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 yes! Because from the perspective of the hero, he loses. Let's invert those. So, it's game over. Game over, direct game over. Defeat I was searching for. Perfect, and just in case, let's say here victory. Okay, game over doesn't happen, or if it does happen, it's for actual game overs. Okay, and after the battle, the player chooses to spare the characters, because it's such a cliche that the player has to do it, otherwise it's not fun at all. Okay. Let's make them say something more. Wait, I have an idea. I should put this in a common event. Otherwise I have to copy this every time. I'll put this in a common event. And choose the dialogue in another way. With a variable. Simply. So. Member to dialogue. And the value is dialogue. Which is a global variable now. I put also a comment to set this. Okay, now I just need to copy this and put in the event when I call the common event, and it should give me the dialogue without having to copy everything. So here I have a better idea, even a better idea. Oh no, I copied the text, right? Okay, perfect. Global, perfect. Yeah, just one thing. I put it in a script so I can directly copy the command instead of copying the text. Much better. Okay. And now I have to do it again. After the hero talks, she talks too. And if she doesn't talk, doesn't happen anything. He's too strong. And if she talks, she says something of the sort. My attacks doesn't even... how is the term? I'm searching the term for scalfire in Italian. Scratch, okay, yeah. In English it's a little different to phrase, but my attacks didn't even do a scratch. My hits didn't even... How it was the... It's even I don't remember how it was the term, the correct phrase. Wait. My attacks didn't give him a skill. No, it's not this. Google Translate. Go return home. Google Translate, please. Left a scratch. Might be correct. And what should this say? Bow in front of the evil lord of this world. Something like this, I think. Perfect. What should I do with yo? I think there is... No, it's fine like this. And again, the choice of the player. I'll put a meme choice. I let you live. Our battle will be... No, volevo mettere una cosa. I wanted to... again Italian. No, I can't hold it back. Please, someone stop me from eating pizza every day. I would really like to, actually. I want to use the gag. Our battle will be legendary in the next dialogue, maybe. And give you one chance. The first is you can't possibly be the hero. I give you one chance, and just to be sure, let's kill you. Not let's, I'll kill you. Which is the right choice, actually. Okay. Not for winning the game, though. Okay, so if you choose the first and second one, the evil lord spares the hero. With the last one, there is a game over. But, well, the player should have expected it. I should put a scene, though, for this game over. The evil lord reigns on the world because he killed the hero right at the start. Because otherwise it might leave with a bad taste in the mouth if there is a straight game over after this smart choice. So I should put at least one scene for a bad ending. Otherwise it's not fun reaching bad endings. Okay. So after this, Devil Lord does one thing I really hate. It teleports away without any sort of power. Perfect. And if I chose the other choice where there is the bad end, it doesn't read this part, so it's fine. Yeah. I should really leave now. The world doesn't get dominated by himself. I don't think there is a epsilon here. Himself. And makes a weird animation and disappears among the sea of butterflies. Classic animation. I don't actually want much animations because they don't work well with the browser version of the engine. So I'll use instead a flash. Okay. And make the player transparent. Because, remember, the player is the Evil Lord. So, transparent on, easy enough. And since we are not in the point of view of the hero, we don't hear the other dialogues, but I should place one more dialogue. Let's use the grr here. I'll have my revenge. I swear it! Classic of the protagonist. Let's say it much more bigger, and here we are! Arr, arr, arr. We are not pirates. Okay. So the grr before is not needed. Ah, damn. Damn works fine like this. Okay, okay. Okay. Let's fade out the screen, and this scene isn't completely made because the choices doesn't have a dialogue in it, but it works. For now it works. Also, this flame shouldn't be visible. I put it there, but I should move the flame on the place of the first flame, just to avoid leaving the flame there. But I think it should be enough. Should we do more? Let's think about new ideas, and the next time we will do them. After the village burning down, the hero passes through the forest again, so we make the same gag with the slime. And other than that, yeah, I missed a thing maybe. Devil Lord can kill the character who stayed home, so which can be both of the girls. So to spawn the hero, you also need to kill the two, or one of the two sisters who remained home. I feel kinda bad for that, but I should use another variable then. I should use the story variable here. So if the friend who stayed home was the second one, here appears Lorena. And if the other one stayed there, it appears instead Sisea. Should be the opposite. The number 2, if you choose Sisea, okay. If you choose Lorena, then oh wait, if you choose Lorena, the value is 2. So if it's on just 2 and not 3, she's home. So this is empty. This is empty if there's 3. And there, she's home if... Actually, no. She's here if the value is if the value is 0 or 2. So if the value is 3 or more, she isn't there. Or isn't she? If it's 3 or more. Also, she doesn't appear at the start of the story, so let's limit that also. And she is in your team when the value is 3. I did something wrong, I'm sure. Yeah, if the value is 3, she isn't in your team, it's home, so it's right if it's 3. Only if it's 2, she isn't there. So I have an idea. A very lazy idea, but it might work. So, let's make a parallel event where I check if the value is 2. If it's 2, she is in your party, so she doesn't die here. So if the value is 2, she doesn't appear here. Otherwise, yes. Let's change the name, okay? Second member of party. So if she's in your party, then there is nothing here. So erase event. If she isn't in your party, she is there. But being a parallel event, I want to pass on the next part. So I can have an event interactable. Okay. The same with the other one. With Cisea. How do I pronounce that in English? Cisea. And I just need to change this value, because when it's 3, she's in your party. Now this event, oh yeah, I should change this too. Where is she? She's there. I should also make the next one, but first I don't remember the values for the story. Oh well. Let's use the value 20 to sign they are defeated. Or I should use... Let's use another switch, I think. Yeah, let's use another switch. So, let's make another type of battle, but it's time. It's a battle where there can be Lorena, Cisea, or both of them. So I should make a battle for all of them. Just Cisea? Why? It's wrong, this. Oh, okay, I changed it. So. Okay. So the first fight, we have both of them. Lorena, Cisea. The second one, just Lorena. The last one, just Cisea. Okay, now, depending on the value of always second member of party, the battles are different. If it's 0, 2 or 3, there is a different battle. If it's 1, it's against both of them. No, you can't lose. If it's 2, it means Lorena is in your party, Cisea is left home, so Cisea. And the last of them, the opposite, Lorena. Okay. You just can't lose, actually. And when you interact with them, when you touch them, meaning that you trigger the event collision, yeah, I meant that. You call the event and you see what starts. Didn't give it a name yet. Battle to the village, something like this. Okay, and after this, I activate the switch and they are dead. Wait, I should put another switch here. Okay. Wait, they should be both dead. You can't kill one at a time. So I should activate another switch. Village kills. Okay. So there's a new page that it's active only with this, and oh no. No, I deleted the event if she isn't there. So I think it's fine showing her and in any case. Or I wanted to say a specific word. Let's see if there is a correspective. Yeah, regardless. I was searching the word regardless. It's important using those terms. I use sometimes, but I knew just a bunch of them, I think. So Lorena needs to be dead. Okay. Her too. Village kills. Let's use another sprite so they are not the same. They are dead. Remember direction fix. And let's copy the same here. Perfect. And I should put other characters in the village. When you interact with them, they die. Sounds fun. Or you fight them. Oh no, not the kids. Please, not the kids. Yes, and you also kill the shopkeeper. Oh, incredible. Incredible. So when you touch it, animation, fire, it burns, okay? Works every time. Show animation. This event. Something that burns for a lot of damage. This will work. And it disappears. It's that easy. Let's see with a player touch. Let's see, make it random, but it's in panic, so it's faster, okay? Let's see if it does something. I won't put too much people, but let's put the mother. Wait, the village should kill them too? I think it should at least kill the mother. Kinda sad, but the mother and the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper, who is it? Who was it? Here. Okay. The guy I actually used there. Perfect. And then some old guy, maybe. A kid? Isn't bad killing kids? You don't have to do it, okay? So it's your fault if you kill a kid. Okay? Please don't do that. Okay, that's enough, I think. I should put a little bit of dialogue over there. No, I don't think it's needed. Also, I should change those and make them appear only when the story is a certain value. I should make it more. It's pretty basic now, the animation. Why? Okay, because I set the other variables. Let's see. Okay. She's dead. Let's make a 50 reference. It should make... I'd like if they flashed a little. And disappeared. Ah, yeah. There is a Visostella which does something like that. Right? So, don't wait anymore. Let's wait 40 frames. Let's see if Visostella has something like that. I think it does. I'm pretty sure there was something for that. Wait, there is a follower. Damn, it was that easy. It was fun programming it though. There isn't. Wait. I thought they could. I can do that manually actually, but I should save it somewhere because I don't like it doing it every time. So something like this event, move, change opacity, and decrease. Let's make 50 every time. If I were less lazy, I would make more gradually, but this is probably enough. Just 4 steps. I hope it should be enough. Let's wait for 8 frames because there isn't enough. There aren't enough steps to make a really fluid animation. Okay. I should make also a flash for the event. Is there a flash? There should be. There is a flash, right? You're telling me there isn't a flash. Maybe here. Flash... No, wait. There has to be. No, I'm pretty sure there is a flash event. I just don't came up this often on this window. It's not animation. I think it's in the animation. Wait, I can do animation of getting damage. Let's wait less. But let's add first a transparent, so it seems like it got hit for I don't know how much frames. Let's say 8 frames with a sound like blow. It's not, they are not the best ones, but this might work. Let's wait a little more. Other half a second. And the collapse sound effect should work. Okay, it might work, okay? Let's try it. Why did I do it on the kid though? I don't think I need the heat actually. You can't even see it. I just removed the sound. Okay, I keep the sprites. Let's change. No, wait. Let's change just the content. And I just need a dialogue for the two sisters. But something quick, I could also put that in here, common event. Okay, that's all. I just need a variable to add because you need to kill the shopkeeper and the mother. I should... Well, it's fine rating them, but I could also make them collapse on the ground. Also, where are the flames? Oh, now we are talking. Unfortunately, I can burn the corpse. That would be really bad, actually. Wait, I can't place any flames. Why? Story is the same. Village burning is on. It shouldn't. Ah, yeah, I forgot. I lowered the threshold for testing. Let's fight. Let's see this in another time. And we can close the stream for today, I think. Wait! Why did the Heavy Lord disappear? Wait! This isn't okay. This is not okay. What happened? What did I call? Wait, this doesn't need to happen. I should make this. Wait. When I win... I don't think there are actually battles I can win, which I didn't expect, so for now let's skip the event. And let's see the rest of the scene. Nothing much really, but... here they are. Let's fight. Let's defeat the hero. Oh no, it dodged! It's surely we dodged every round. Wait! I can lose if they poison me. I'm still lucky and I dodge. I can dodge the poison. I should actually... really, I should change the moveset because they have the goblin moveset. Also, there's a problem here, there shouldn't be the arrow. Fade screen, perfect. It doesn't repeat later, so that's not a problem. Just, I should avoid problems here. Wait, I disallowed the cancel. No, the latter one, maybe. Yeah, here it is. That's the problem. Okay, die. Okay, well, that's everything I think for today. We did also a little bit more than I thought, but we did a good job. The game is coming out nice, a little more lower than I thought, but I think that's the best doing this in stream rather than my actual game, because it's more fun doing a game like this. Doing my main game is slow, and in streaming I don't know what to do. Now it's more like making a trailer, preparing Steam page, sharing it, mainly sharing it, I know, and all of that. Okay. So for now, we will stop. I want to do raid, man. I don't know if... let's raid Heroic Zephyr. Of course. I hope you were enough. And that's everything for today. I had fun streaming in English. It's a little... it's not super easy, okay? But I'm getting the hang of it. So, next time, I will speak even better. That's all. I also forgot to change the description at the end of this, on the bottom of the stream, but that's okay. So, that's everything for today. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see ya whenever happens.